Welcome to Prevaj. Unleash the power of TypeScript. In today's fast-paced digital world, building robust and scalable web applications is essential for success. TypeScript enhances JavaScript with powerful features like static typing, type inference, and support for object-oriented programming. Whether you're starting a new project or migrating an existing JavaScript codebase, TypeScript integrates seamlessly with your favorite frameworks and libraries. Our services: TypeScript setup made easy, expert configuration for smooth TypeScript development, seamless code migration, effortlessly transform your JavaScript codebase to TypeScript, scalable app development, build robust, type-safe applications using TypeScript's full capabilities, framework integration. Connect TypeScript seamlessly with popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Node.js. Performance and training. Optimize your code and empower your team with our in-depth TypeScript training. We also provide TypeScript training and ongoing support to ensure your team is empowered and your projects are future-proof. Unleash the full potential of TypeScript for your next project. Let us help you build the future.